Chemical equation, right? What is the first thing that we're going to do when we're trying to balance a chemical equation? Reactants from the products. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to separate where that arrow is. That's where I'm going to put the line to separate reactants from the products. What does this arrow mean right here? Yes, this plus this equals this, or this plus this produces this. After I separate reactants from the products, what do I need to do? List the elements. So what elements do I have on this side? Carbon. What about this? Hydrogen and chlorine. Carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine. Carbon, hydrogen, chlorine. The only thing that's going to change in a chemical reaction is the arrangement of all of these. So let's get started. Count however many of each atom I have on each side. How many carbons do I have? Carbons. 1. How do I know that? There's no subscript, so it's understood that there's a 1. What about hydrogen? 4. What about chlorine? 2. I know that this is chlorine and not 2 separate elements. It's a lowercase l. Perfect. What about here? How many carbons do I have? 1. How many hydrogens do I have? 1. How many chlorines do I have? 5. So here, does anything here look alike? The carbons. Okay, so what should I do to get this to look like that? Multiply the 4. So this is called a what? Coefficient. And this coefficient, I know we're just trying to change the H, right?
But it's going to change those.
It's going to change everything. Why? Because this is a what? Compound. It's me and my boyfriend. We are together. We're not apart. So whatever I do to this, I need to do to that. What is that called? Distributive property. Perfect. So when I do this, this turns into a 4. What about the Cl? 1 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4?
8.
So you ignore this number. I know it said 5. You're going to ignore it. You're going to go 1 times 4. That's 4. How many chlorines do I have now on this side? 8. Do you understand that?
Multiply that by 4.
So now, okay, I have 1, 4, 8. I have 1, 4, 2. What can I do to a 2 to get it to look like an 8?
4 and 1.
Multiply by 4. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Is that balanced now?
Yes.
Yay!